And I'm not gonna come back there again for work. I'll come and visit. It's fine. You must fight the guy that made the event, because it didn't pay me. How can I come there? So you must ask other South Africans that you can't fight me, guys. I'm the last person you're gonna fight with, or you want to fight with, in this world, or in the entertainment in the entertainment industry. It's fine. You think you guys I care, or what, or whatever. Now you held my manager hostage there. For what? For what? So why did you sign the contract? Why did you sign the contract? Today, you want to make other people believe that I don't attend gigs. It's fine. Which means no more Uganda. I'm telling you, even those who love me, guys, in Uganda, I'm very sorry, but there's no more Uganda for me. And I don't care. You must know that I don't care. Why is he in prison? Why? Because they know. Now that they see that the fans are complaining, you guys want to act like you gave me money and I didn't come. Why? Why would I not come if you paid me in full? So we're going to send you guys your refund, bring my brother back, then it's chai. There are so many Amapiano artists or other artists in the world, you can book them. Not me. So I think I addressed it. It's fine. This is a lesson for even for other countries. You must pay other not even me, but pay artists in full, whatever amount that they want, pay them, and pay them in time. Yes, unless maybe the mistake was on me, that maybe I was left by the flights or something. Yes, it's understandable. But now you were guys trying to scam me. I wanted a particular amount, you paid half. So you wanted me to come there when you guys paid half of the amount. Do you think I'm crazy, man? So now you want to act all holy and stuff. So you guys think Uganda is the only African country in Africa? Maybe. I'm still gonna travel. I'm still gonna travel all of the other countries besides Uganda. Because why? Ugandan promoters, not Uganda. I want you to hear me well. Because Ugandan promoters are full of shit. You are refunded. Yeah, Mozambique. Yeah, open the door or the gate, man.
I'm coming.
Dango. Yeah, ngithangeke basizwe phela. Masingacala sithi sivale ngewatwat. It's fine. But I promise you, if you still follow those Ugandan promoters that you have there, as Ugandan people, because obviously you love Amapiano, so you're still gonna lose your money, because they wanna act like they are clever to other people or to artists. They wanna act like they are clever to other artists. No, we can't say fuck Uganda. No, that's not right. Uganda is not the problem here. It's the promoters. We need to fix it. We cannot say we blame the whole of the country. No. The country does not have anything to do with this. They came, they supported, they spent their money. Like some of them, they spent their last money. Some of them, they spent their money to come and watch the show. He's asleep now. But because of your fucked up promoters, they don't pay artists in time. Then now they create. I think I'm done.
So why didn't you go? Oh.